Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing what qualifies as the right product. Pick one customer segment and list their top problems. Once done, translate pain into measurable objectives, price band, 3-6-month ROI, and a conversion target like 2%. Now immediately collect evidence, one-on-one interviews, historical sales, and keyword search volume. Make sure to prioritize signals that match your metrics. Don't waste time on hypotheses. Run small probes to validate the most critical assumption first, and iterate fast. Next, move into hands-on validation with rapid tests that answer whether customers will pay. Build a single landing page, run a focused ad test, and attempt a mini pre-sell or reservation. Once live, use small samples, roughly 100 clicks, 20 follow-up interviews, and a controlled $200 ad spend to conserve resources. Track CTR, conversion, and revenue per visitor. Compare results to your objectives. If metrics miss by a wide margin, iterate the offer or the audience until you hit your threshold. Finally, scale only the channels and offer variants that met your success metrics. Increase budget incrementally for winning ads and channels. Once consistent, lock the core product features that drove conversions and collect ongoing feedback to refine pricing or messaging. If performance drops, isolate one variable and run a focused A/B test rather than broad changes. Also verify channel targeting and creative freshness. Remember, one key troubleshooting move is to revert to the last known good variant and rerun a controlled test before big changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.